Hi, this is Taylor with TenantCloud, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add a contact. Once you have created your account, you will need to add contacts to connect with. Contacts are tenants, owners, service professionals, and service providers. The key difference between professionals and service providers is professionals do maintenance for you and providers do not. Examples of service professionals would be cleaning companies or general contractors. Some examples of service providers would be electric companies, water companies, or Home Depot. To add a contact, click the Contacts tab from the left side menu. Here there will be three separate subcategories: tenant, service professionals, and owners. We will be adding a tenant contact. First, click the Add Contact button at the top right of the page. Enter their name, date of birth, email, and phone number. It is important to know that the email address is the unique identifier for all TenantCloud accounts, so that means that you cannot have two contacts with the same email. You also have the option to add a picture, forwarding address, and emergency contact information if you want, but it is not required. Once you have all the information entered, click Create. This will take you to the tenant's contact profile page. If you need to edit, archive, or delete the contact, click the three dots menu in the top right corner to do so. But as a reminder, if you delete something within TenantCloud, that information is permanently deleted. And that's how easy it is to add a contact with TenantCloud. To start managing your rental properties for free, just go to www.tenantcloud.com or click the link below in the description and sign up today.